want to see what this room is all about? All right, look to your left, and when you come in right away, there's a closet. You can hang your jackets in there, a little closet. And obviously, this is going to make into a bed later. This is going to make into a bed, so you got two beds. And then you've got a little medicine cabinet area here. You can put your waters like we did. You've got your hot and cold waters. You've got trash can. And then over here, you've got nice windows. And this makes into a nice, good table that we can use for playing games, eating our food. Air conditioning on and off. There's a thermostat by the front door that you can control your own temperature. And all the light switches for reading lights and ceiling lights and that type of thing. And then there's this little jump seat over here. Move this out of the way. And if you want, you can close that up. That slides out of the way. Over here is your shower bath. It's a wet bath. So you got your toilet, you got your shower, your own little bathroom right there. So you don't have to leave the room. But it's a nice way to travel. So you say, what about storage? Well, I can help you with that. Look, there's storage in here. You can store under your seat. I have my briefcase under there. You can store under this seat, which when I take a few things out of it, it'll fit under there. And, oh, but there's more. You can store it up here and over here. See? Like a small suitcase or something like that. You get the idea. And then there's even one more place you can store under the jump seat if you want to. All kinds of room. I wouldn't bring a big suitcase, but medium size or small one, it'll fit here just fine.